equestrian friends, it's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian, and welcome back to a new video. And yes, today is the beginning of the unboxing of the Effol and FX Friendship Equestrian Advent Calendar. Now, I was able to find this Advent Calendar on Fundus Equestrian. And when I found it, I was really excited because I've been searching for this because they had it last year at Riding Warehouse. I haven't been able to find it in the United States. So I jumped across the pond. Well, I didn't, but I looked at different sites and most of them in the UK had the Effol calendar. So I actually bought two of these. One is for me and for my video, and the other one is for my No Stirrups November challenge that just ended, and I'm going to be having a drawing for that. So if you were in that challenge, you might get one of these. Makes me so excited to be able to share that with someone. But for today's video, we are going to be unboxing this just one day. We're looking for door number 1. Door number 1. Holy cow, I don't even know where it is. Oh, I found it. It's right down there. Okay, so need to unwrap it because it's still sealed. That's kind of cool. Now I have a poster of the Advent Calendar. I don't know what I'll do with it. Probably take a picture for some thumbnails. All right, let's find door number 1. Door number 1. Oh, they start off with a bang. Oh yeah. This is the Effol Superstar Shine. This stuff is awesome. I love this shine spray. I really like the little 4-ounce bottle too. That's very fancy. And they had this in last year's Advent Calendar, so it was the first time that I ever used it. And this stuff works so good. My horses are super shiny with it. And I do think it helps to reduce a little bit of the static that tends to build up in the winter time. So for December 1st, we have the Effol Superstar Shine in the FX Advent Calendar. Pretty cute. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, which you can do. Just click on that link down below. So that way you can watch every day when I open up another door or window of the calendar, and we'll see what's inside. That is pretty awesome. They're awesome.